Hello everybody. In this video I will try to show you single leaf and tilt and turn double action accessory system. As you see here, if you have a width, let's say about maximum 1 meter and maximum 1.5 meter about, it's very good size for this type of single leaf window. I'm just gonna show you the accessory working system. Okay, when it's this position, it's just closed. When it comes this position, it's third position, and when it comes this position, it's tilt position. When you have tilt position, you will have some gap here and you can refresh inside air condition. And I'm gonna give you a small tip. When your window is in turn position, don't make it tilt position. If you do it, it's gonna be a problem that you cannot manage your window properly. So you better always use the system properly. Okay, thank you very much. Good day.